Hi everyone, good day to all. I'm going to discuss about what is digital marketing, what are the problems they faced in using digital marketing, and compare the global legislations and regulations with Sri Lanka digital marketing through this video. According to Madam C.J. Walker, don't sit down and wait for the opportunities to come. Get up and make them. What is digital marketing? It is called online marketing. It is promotion of brands to connect with the potential customers. For examples, email, social media, and web-based advertising channel, search engines, mobile application, and also text and multimedia messages. It's an act of promoting and selling products and services by using online marketing. Tactics are such as media marketing, search marketing, and email marketing. It is way to connect with, influence the potential customers through online. Now let's look into the what are the problems faced in using digital marketing. In first, generating qualified lead. As many service-based business attempt to gain more targeted leads, paid ads such as Facebook ads and Google ads are likely to rise in cost. Second, creating engaging content. Customers are always hungry for fresh content that educate them and point them in a direction of a solution. Especially popular in 2022 include the short form videos, Instagram and Facebook stories. Third, audience issues. Majority of digital marketing in the poorly performing channels targeting the wrong audience. They need to focus on the platform where your audience is active. Fourth, actually be social. Social media is just that, social. To best performing social media campaigns involves communicating with customers and responding to customer reviews, engaging with discussions. Fifth, stay in current changes on digital marketing trends. You need to pay close attention to the latest features, rules and algorithms released by the search engine. Let's talk about compare the global legislation and regulations with Sri Lanka digital marketing. As digital marketing takes center stage, it is essential to know where to draw the line when it comes to legal considerations. In first, privacy law. Suppose you are sending out emails and messages to your consumers. In that case, you have to establish a policy that explains what information you are collecting, how you will store, protect and utilize the specific information, and the effective date of the policy. Your privacy policy should also include instructions for data collection. For instance, if you plan to send promotional material through different mediums, get the client permission. Most countries worldwide have privacy law in the place that require marketers to notify consumers before they collect their personal information. Intellectual property. Marketers sometimes use other content creators' property to assist their advertising. This includes using copyright material such as photographs, music, even video from the other creators without getting permission. In third, using social media influencers. A social media influencer is someone with a large following on social media platform who has the ability to influence many consumers in purchasing goods or services. In Sri Lanka, the sales of goods and services to online websites operating in Sri Lanka within the purview of Consumer Affairs Authority Act. Then we cannot sell alcohol, animals, fresh vegetables and fruits through the online platform. Digital marketing is still in its infancy in Sri Lanka. There are so many areas in which the law needs to develop to provide protection to consumers.